Okay, here we go.
Something to say now.
Oh.
Hello. Your first footer is here.
Finally!
I bring you coal to warm your home, and bread to warm your bellies, and whiskey to bring you cheer throughout the new year. The Scottish tradition, the first.
Footer is the first threshold.
Your Scottish tradition, brother.
Welcome him in.
Welcome, Fred First Footer.
Thank you. I will come with my children. To step foot in the new year. It will be a good year. Bellies, cheer, and warm.
Welcome and cheer.